I'll come take a little tour of my toolboxes with me. And before anybody says anything, everyone in the comments is going to get in there and say, man, them tools are clean. He don't do nothing. Truth is, I don't really use my tools that often. I did automotive for a little while and found out that it's extremely hard to make a whole lot of money doing it. And I got into industrial maintenance, so I just work on cars on the side. So all this stuff is just kind of hanging out, and it gets used maybe 2 or 3 times a month. And before anybody says anything about, oh man, you got a lot of debt. No, not really. Most of the hand tools are paid for, and the only thing I have on my Snap-on account is the blue toolbox. Everything else is paid for. So enjoy the show.